So, dear sister, don't feel sad of what happened. Dust yourself up. Work on yourself, improving yourself. I told my sister, look, you can invest your money in something, mom.
Really now?
Maybe the number one reason why people get, and it's not the first time they are doing my sister like that. There's a guy who wanted to do that. I'll not say because I don't want to create this whole story. And I came through for my sister like, whoop. Now this guy hates me. He goes to the internet saying, oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, MARWA did this to me. MARWA took my money. It's all a hoax. Hoax. I have no time for small money like this, bro. If you're watching this.
Yes, I'm watching Mara. I'm
And he
watching.
wanted to manipulate my sister, and my sister found a lawyer.
Lie.
And the lawyer told him,
Lie.
let's meet in court. He went quiet. I see him shouting here and there. And he knows he can be prosecuted. He knows. Because he has no proof of anything. And the funny thing is also, my sister, some men will pretend to be rich to just reach you. Because they know already your status. They know this is a big YouTuber. I am very sure she makes good amount of money. She's been traveling around the world. So other men will actually pretend to be the big boss. They will steal money, do whatever, and put it in their pocket, and they will come flossing. They will come with a nice car. Even maybe they'll rent a car for maybe 2 weeks. And it's not just for my sister, this is even for the girls out there. And they will pretend to be so loving, so nice. And they will tell you all these projects they are having.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. I just want to react to this video in a way, family, so you guys can understand who we are dealing with, the type of people we are dealing with, family. I just want to react to this video. So, family, you hear it out of his own mouth for your own self, family. That, you know what I mean, as he said, his sister get an attorney. You know what I mean? His sister get an attorney, as MARWA said. So if your sister has an attorney, why your attorney don't connect with my attorney? Why your sister never show up in court? That's what I want to ask you this question, MARWA. I am listening to you and I want to ask you this question. Because in your comment, you say, oh, you don't want small money. But I'm telling you, I make more money than you in this lifetime. I make more money than you in this lifetime. And I was there. You know what I mean? I was there. And yeah, as you know that I host your sister in Ghana. So there's information I know. Anything I am saying is the truth. So when you come and talk all of these things, you know what I mean? I know everything. So I don't know what you're talking about. When you're saying your sister should invest her money, you mean that your sister must invest the money in your villa? Because you borrow your sister money and she was complaining to me that she don't want to give you no more money because you're not giving it back to her. And it's a reason why you see you give your sister an apartment in a room in your apartment in your villa and a room in your villa. Which big brother do that? You know what I mean? Which big brother do that? That's something strange because I have a younger sister. My younger sister have to go out there and find a husband and find her boyfriend or whoever she want to find. And that's the man she should praise. She should, no matter what I give her, she should never be praising me. Is her husband. Because at the end of the day, she's not going to spend the rest of her life with me. So why would I give her an apartment in my house? For what reason? You know what I mean? She's supposed to go out there and build her life and do her thing, family. So it's a reason why you see that he gives her that, because MARWA is like a pimp to the family. He's like a pimp. So there's a reason why you see he can't come out and say nothing about the situation, family. It's a reason. And you guys must look into it and see it for yourself. That is a reason why he cannot come out. He cannot say nothing about the situation because he knows the truth. Because imagine I send all that money in Kenya to get the apartment and everything. And he's the first one want to sleep in the apartment when the apartment not even furnished out yet. And so I say when you listen to these, to a man like MARWA talking, as a man, you know what I mean, you, you and MARWA is a wimp, you're a simp, you're a puny. As what Andrew Kibe would say in Kenya. You know what I mean? If you as a man listening to Iron Mara, I even Coco Boy is a fool. He's an idiot. Imagine you have a woman and you are do so good on YouTube and you make this fool tell you about to create 2 channels. For what reason? For what reason you create 2 channels? Well, you need 2 channels for you're not competing with nobody. And in a general, a woman do better on YouTube. So if anytime a woman actually break away from you and start to do her own thing, you know what I mean? A lot of money go flood in her DM and you know what I mean, she'll get more views than you. Now she start thinking like she better than you. So you make this idiot boy break up your relationship you have all long. You follow him all over the world in Brazil and actually you can't find a woman yet. Just like him. Imagine, and that's the thing, as a man, you have to know who to follow. MARWA is not somebody you should follow. Because first of all, him cannot keep a girl. Any girl you see when it's some low life girl, low value. You know what I mean? Imagine a few girls coming in village and when them see him live and see everything, they just come, they never spend half day. So guys, you have to understand, guys, like, you know, if you listen to this boy, you know what I mean? I know you might have die-hearted fan and everything, but everybody, you know what I mean, have them own, you know, fans. But if you're a fan of him, you know what I mean, you have to understand yourself. Because this boy is a manipulative boy. And he tried to control the entire family. I was there when he borrowed David Jr. money. And because David Jr. asked back for the money. That's the reason why it's the falling out family. Anything I'm saying is that where them complain to me about. You know what I mean? So it's not like I am saying anything. So they're sure that this boy is a boy of lies. So when he come and say no, his sister should invest her money, what he really mean is that the sister should invest the money in his villa. Because all this boy come and talking about like he's some self-made. He's nothing, because everything that you have, you beg for it on the internet. And now the situation with Jam Tours, you cannot address it. You dodge, you hide. You know what I mean? I say, oh, I hope you're watching this. Well, I'm watching it, I'm replying to you, and I can't hear nothing from you. So that's what I want to know. I want to know what is happening. All of these things that you're talking and saying, you're advising your sister and all kind of thing. These things are rubbish, because you're advising your sister to do what a man doing, which is the worst. A woman cannot do what a man do. A man can have 100 women have sex with with thousands of women. And once a woman do that, a woman is called a whore. Her mind is fucked up once she actually do certain things as a woman. Because a woman was made to actually take all of these sperms and all of these men, you know what I mean, body and all kind of things she actually containing and stuff. That makes you messed up. And she cannot stay in a relationship once she do what a man do. So, you know what I mean, he's a man like this, he have no game. You know, all of these walking around, you know what I mean, actually, you know, talking to little girls. You never stop a mature woman yet and said something good to them. Some small girls, college girls, yeah, stop on the street. You know what I mean? So, you know, I am just doing this reaction video to let you guys know that MARWA is a liar. They have no liar and they have nothing. When they send me that letter and I actually file my lawsuit and do my thing, I expect them should be in court and we will actually resolve this issue already. No, when I go to court, they get nowhere to be found. Them hiding on the internet, dodging, and all over the place. And he coming on the internet now saying all of these things, you know what I mean, just to lie to people. So family, I don't want to make these videos as long as it is. I just want to actually, you guys, to advise him to actually, you know what I mean, address this issue. You know what I mean? Because he's the like the CEO of the family. Everybody listen to him. Everybody is afraid of him. Everybody, you know what I mean, talk highly of him. I just want to understand who he think he is. He think he's somebody, but he's nobody. And not until him address this issue, you know what I mean, he will know what it is. You know what I mean? He will know what it is. Not until him address this issue and fix this issue, then he will know what it is, because he make it look like say, I am lying. So I'm saying, how am I lying? He said I have no receipt to prove nothing. All the receipt is there. All the receipt is my M-Pesa. I buy all the stuff them and everything is there. Even the washing machine, the sister come and say, you know what I mean, is I who bought it. You know what I mean? So I don't understand what is he talking about. So I will advise his reactors to actually advise him and actually send him this video and let him understand himself and wise up and come to the table, because some things that I'm about to do when it comes to YouTube, you know what I mean, once I have these documents, I'm going to go to YouTube. So if you wish your sister well, you wish well, let's talk about the situation. We can actually resolve this situation without all of this mess and animosity that will be coming on the internet. You know, because this thing will never die, Mario. You see what happens to the reactor now? The reactor just picking it up and up and up. It's just keep blowing up in your face. And you have to wonder why your guys' views is going down. Why you guys' views is going down, and why you guys make it feel like, say, you guys are making millions on YouTube. You know what I mean? And that's the thing, you know, boasting and show off about something that is nothing. Because imagine, I was there when the sister was making just like 2,000, 1,500 on YouTube, and that's when the tax thing come in and they start complaining and all kind of thing. So you guys paying $1,000 on ticket and stuff, flying to a country and making 1,500 and 2,000, you know what I mean? And then you have to buy and eat and sleep and all kind of thing. You know what I mean? What can come out of that? And then get a few little donation. You know what I mean? What else it is? You make it look like so you guys are making millions of YouTube and going around boasting and getting people a few subscribers and make it feel like so your people are gonna be a millionaire and they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that. You know what I mean? You guys are so small-minded, and when you think about the small change you guys making and feel like say you're not even making, because most of the money you get is donation, begging, so that's not making nothing. So you know what I mean, it's just that most people don't really understand social media, and anybody can post something on the internet and people feel like say, yo, they're making it. But you guys not making it. If you guys was making it and you're saying it's a small change, you should have given me that money long time. Ask your sister how much money him sent to your bank account and say, yo, let me give him back that long time and go with him. I don't want him talking about us and thing. You know what I mean? We are a big deal. You're not supposed to be talking about us. Send him that money. Give me a bank account. Jam Tours. You know, what is bank account, and go on the internet and show people, hey, I transfer his money that he sent to my sister to get apartment. That's what you should have do as a man who like to boast and show off. Yeah, family, I don't want this video to be a lengthy video, you know what I mean, because there is more videos to come, and this video will never die, MARWA, until you come and address this on the table. Guys, so this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. As you know, guys, I have some merch. Do your research and get your merch, family. And it's bring peace, it bring love, it bring prosperity in your life. And you know what I mean, just actually go and get it, family. And you know, we have a lot of stuff there, so go and get your merch from the store, the YouTube store. I'm out. One love, Jamaica.